Hey guys, welcome to Sandro's Quick News. We'll give you the 10 news quick. Mozilla has launched a VPN called Mozzila Private Network. It costs $4.99 and will be available initially in the US, Canada, the UK, Singapore, Malaysia, and New Zealand. Android 11 Beta 2 is now available to download and install on the Oneplus 8 and 8 Pro. Microsoft has announced a new feature for Outlook for Android, which is coming to iOS later this year, called Play My Emails. Play My Emails basically gives you the ability to have Outlook read aloud your emails. Outlook uses Cortana Voice Assistant to read back the content of your messages, sender details, plus the date and the time it was received. Anyway, thank you for watching. If you want to watch another of my videos, click the iCard above or click on the video on screen. I'm on Twitch, Pinterest, Google Keen and Dailymotion, so you can follow me on them. And comment down below with suggestions for future videos. Don't forget to like and subscribe to see tech news, reviews and how-tos. I post every day, so be sure to turn on notifications so you never miss a video. But until next one, goodbye!